Why is boiling of egg a chemical change and boiling of water a physical change? In boiling of eggs, nature of egg is changed and not reversible, therefore it is chemical change. In boiling of water, nature of water is not changed and reversible, therefore it is physical change. What is a chemical property? A chemical property can be observed during chemical change. Chemical properties are flammability, rusting, etc. Rust is an iron oxide formed by the reaction of iron and oxygen in presence of water or moisture. Define the chemical property. A chemical property can be observed during chemical change. Chemical properties are flammability, rusting, etc. Rust is an iron oxide formed by the reaction of iron and oxygen in presence of water or moisture. What is flammability? Identify example of flammable matter. Flammability is property as how easily can a substance burn. When a matter burns, it combines with oxygen and changes into different substance. For example, burning of wood, petrol, sprays, etc. Why silver gets tarnished after some time? Silver gets a black coating if it is exposed to air for a long time. This is due to hydrogen sulfide, HS, in the air reacts with silver, Ag, to form black silver sulfide, AgS. Long questions. Distinguish between physical and chemical change. State with at least 2 examples from daily life. Physical change. Chemical change. No new substance product is formed. New substance product are formed. The composition remains same. The composition is changed. It is reversible change. It is not reversible change. Sometimes changes occur on heating or cooling. Changes always occur on heating or cooling. Examples are melting ice, boiling water, etc. Examples are burning, rusting of iron, photosynthesis, etc. Describe combustion with the help of word equation. Explain the harmful effects combustion on the environment. Combustion is a chemical process in which fuel, wood, petrol, oil, reacts with air, oxygen, to give heat and light energy. Word equation. Fuel plus oxygen is equal to carbon dioxide plus water plus energy, heat and light, effect of combustion on the environment, global warming. Respiratory diseases like asthma, etc. Acid rain. Carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. What is rusting? Suggest any 3 ways to prevent rusting of iron. Rusting is a chemical process in which there is a formation of red or orange coat on the surface of the metals. Ways to prevent rusting. Metallic objects may not be exposed directly in air. Metallic objects may be painted. Metallic objects may be covered with a coating of another non-rusting metal. Metallic objects may be oiled or greased. Metallic objects may be stored properly. Metallic objects may be powder coated. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe Phys Education and press the bell button for early notifications.